has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in south central Illinois, northern Jackson County, Illinois, central Franklin County in south central Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carlisle to near Lively Grove to STE. Genevieve, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Benton, DuQuoin, Pinckneyville, Christopher, Rend Lake area, Cesar, Royalton, Elkville, Woodlawn, Blueford, Valier, West City, Ava, Tamaroa, Willisville, Ina, North City, Buckner, and Dix. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 71 and 105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 91. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, and Perry. Tornado watch number 320 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander,